Hi guys, I'm Bailey, and this week I'm doing Berzerk, which was created by Stern Electronics in 1980. The version I'm playing right now was made in 1982, and it's a lot more complex than the original one. Um, this game, I've already been playing it for a little while to kind of get a good feel of the game. This kind of feels very similar to Gauntlet, but just a more primitive version of it. Uh, and so let's just kind of get started. Um, and each game kind of has a simple rundown mechanic, walking through a maze, shooting up robots. You move around using the mouse control, the keypad controls, using space to shoot lasers. Um, and the main goal of this game is to pretty much not die and just, shoot robots. And you can easily die by walking into any of these walls in the maze. Just kind of frustrating, but as long as you kind of avoid the walls at all costs, you're kind of fine. And a good perk to this is that the robots will occasionally just walk into the walls themselves, and you don't have to worry about trying to kill them. But the further you go into this game, are you kidding me? The further you go into this game, the harder the robots get, and the more times they're able to shoot at you. And I can already tell I'm gonna rage from this game. But yeah. I think when you approach 5,000 points, the game's nemesis shows up. He's called Evil Otto. He's like this giant, like smiley face guy. And you can see the different colored robots shoot a lot faster. And oh wow, okay, that's great. And it likes to start you over. There's no real checkpoint system at all. Okay, that's really frustrating. All right. And your maximum is 3 lives, so gonna have to start over. Oh, that was oh, I never noticed that before. You get like a little Easter egg, like yeah, each robot explodes into a little smiley face. That's actually pretty cool. Never noticed that before. It's a nice little tidbit to have. This game was first created by Alan McNeil, 1980, where he had a dream about shooting robots in black and white, and he actually based these robots off of Daleks from Doctor Who, which I think is pretty cool. I'm a huge fan of Doctor Who. But okay, these guys are a little frustrating to deal with now. Okay, yeah, this is becoming a little problematic. Don't understand why these guys are so hard to kill. Oh, okay. Aha, friendly fire. Somehow got points even though I died. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and limit this run through to about 3 iterations, because if I let this go any longer, I'm probably gonna start raging at this game, and that's when it's gonna no longer be fun for me. So I'd try to keep it at a good, tolerable level of rage-inducing gameplay. Please, please. I knew it was gonna do that. Just want to see the boss. Oh, awesome. Now you can shoot lasers back at me. Really? No! Okay. Yay. The player seems to move really slow at times. You really, really don't need them to move slow. It goes terribly slow. No. I really wish the player moved a little bit faster. It would be very, very helpful. No, please. Thank you. Oh no. It's like a little weird, like, AOL startup. Haha. This is getting a little bit easier. Alright. Although, I mean, I only have 1 life left, so that's not kind of great. Oh, I have one life left, yes! I... How do I still have lives? Okay. Alright, I guess that's gonna end it for this playthrough. But yeah, this is... I mean, it's kind of a simple game, but it's also a little bit more complex than most that I've seen for the Atari 2600. But yeah, this is Berzerk, and I'll see you guys on the next Let's Play.